A real-life daily English conversation.
Hey Jessica, good morning. Are you awake?
Hmm. Good morning, Tom. I just woke up.
You look sleepy. Didn't you sleep well last night?
Not really. I was thinking about work.
Something bothering you?
Yeah, we have a presentation today. I'm a bit nervous.
Don't worry. You always do well.
I hope so. What about you? Big day?
Very big. I have two meetings and one deadline.
Oh wow, that's a lot.
Yeah. I need strong coffee today.
I'll make it. You go freshen up. Here's your coffee. Careful, it's hot.
Thanks. It smells amazing.
Do you want toast or eggs?
I'll take both. I'm really hungry.
That's unusual. You usually skip breakfast.
Today I need energy.
Did you check your emails?
Not yet. I don't want stress this early.
Good decision. Eat first, stress later.
Exactly.
What are you going to wear today?
I'm confused. Blue shirt or white shirt?
Go with the blue one. It looks more confident.
Good choice.
And wear your black shoes.
Wow. You are my fashion advisor now.
Of course. Someone has to help you.
Thank you, madam.
By the way, can you drop me at the office?
Sure. We'll leave in 15 minutes.
Oh no, look at the traffic.
Yeah. It's worse than usual.
We might be late.
Don't worry. I'll take a shortcut.
Are you sure it's faster?
Not really. But we can try.
Okay, let's hope for the best.
Relax. We'll make it.
I'll inform my manager just in case.
Good idea. Here we are.
Finally,
All the best for your presentation.
thank you. Wish me luck.
You don't need luck. You are already prepared.
That means a lot.
See you in the evening.
Yes. Don't be late.
I'll try.
Bye, Tom.
Bye, Jessica. I'm home. What a long day.
Welcome back. You look exhausted.
I am. My brain is not working anymore.
Sit down. I'll get you some water.
Thank you. How was your presentation?
It went really well.
I knew it. I'm proud of you.
Thanks. Your support helped me. Dinner is ready. Come and sit.
I'm coming. It smells so good already.
I made your favorite pasta.
Really? That's perfect after a long day.
Taste it and tell me how it is.
Wow, this is delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
Not just like it. I love it.
So, tell me about your day.
It was hectic. My meeting took longer than expected.
That sounds tiring.
Yes. But I managed everything somehow.
I'm proud of you.
Thanks.
Let's watch something and relax.
Good idea. I need a break.
Yes. We both had a productive day.
True.
Tomorrow will be better.
Definitely.
Good night, Tom.
Good night, Jessica.